But before we deep dive on town history, I want to dive into a plate of Texas barbecue. And so we're swinging for the fences at All-Star Barbecue, a true diamond in the rough. Baseball diamond, that is. Here, owner Russell Turner's been honing his craft of smoking meats for over 30 years and amassing what is one of the most formidable collections of Houston Astros stuff on earth. All right, Russell, I don't know if now's a good time or a bad time to tell you, most of our crew is actually Rangers fans or Yankees fans.
Y'all didn't tell me that. I mean,
sorry, but you're safe. I'm an Astros fan.
Okay, you can stay.
So, I mean, this is more Astros memorabilia than I've seen anywhere, and it's a barbecue joint.
Yeah.
Where did this come from?
Well, I knew I was going to go into the barbecue business. I was like, you know, I'm going to be looking at this all day, every day. Well, everybody does the license plates and farm equipment and things like that.
Sure, yeah, it's easy.
Well, I love baseball. Here we go. I'm going to put baseball stuff up. All Astros.
Yeah.
Why mess with it?
Russell's got all the killer bees here. Bagwell, Biggio, Beans, and Brisket. There's so many Nolan Ryan autographs, you'd think the two of them were pen pals. But Russell's biggest memento came out of the Phillies stadium in the 90s.
And every year they take it down to repaint it or put a new one up. And so they'd taken this down in the clubhouse, and all the Astros coming through, signed it for them and everything.
What?
So I said, I'll buy it.
Much to his wife Christy's dismay, they had to cut a hole in the door to get it in here. You weren't going to cut the sign.
No.
So you had to cut the door.
Yeah, that could be replaced.
Yeah. So you got to have just Astros fans from all over Texas come in and just share stories.
Used to the Mason-Dixon line was Lufkin's. From Lufkin south, you could have radio stations that would play the Astros, and then everything up north was Rangers. And then they started winning.
So that line is moving a little bit. Yeah.
It's heading that way. It's heading that way. Yeah.
All right, hey, y'all, come to the bathroom with me.
What? Whoa.
No, not weird. Just, I got to show it to you. Look inside. The whole thing is Astrosified. I mean, how do you know if you're a real Astros fan? Just look at your bathroom. This is crazy. All right, now y'all get out. I gotta actually use it for what it's for. And wash my hands. Okay, enough baseball. Bring on the brisket. So, rotisserie.
That's a rotisserie.
That's your style.
Yeah.
And what's this smoke I'm smelling here?
That's hickory.
Doesn't seem to be a ton of bark on here. What kind of rub you use?
I'm gonna give away a secret. I don't put anything on there.
No, fire and meat. That's worked since the caveman days.
Caveman, I just like caveman, you know?
Russell learned his craft working at Bodacious Barbecue in Longview when the owner offered him the chance to be their first franchisee in Rusk.
When I called my wife and said, hey, we're going to Rusk, she just started crying, hung up. but
hey.
Once we got here, it's like, okay, we're here for a reason. Perfect place to raise our 3 kids.
Yeah.
It's been a great ride.
That's cool. America's pastime may be baseball, but here in Texas, ours is barbecue. You know, things just taste sweeter out of a cup with the Astrodome on it, right? The dust adds a certain sort of je ne sais quoi to it, if you know what I mean. So here it is, East Texas special. I mean, when you're behind the pine curtain, you go chop beef. Oh gosh, there were supposed to be some ribs with it too, is it? Oh, here. Ha. Oh, of course, here they are.
Wait, what?
Yeah, just little special service right there. These ribs are legit. The rub has a little bit of sweetness to it. That's a phenomenal rib. Time for the beef. Oh, that's good. You know, you can't do chopped beef though without, in my opinion. You gotta get some good sauce in there, a couple pickles, a couple jalapenos if you're feeling spicy. It's about that combination. You get the greasy, smoky meat and the pop of the pickles and the sauce. I guarantee you, at one point in my childhood, I sat in the stands of the Astrodome and I ate a chopped beef sandwich. You know what I'd say? This barbecue right here hits it out of the park, if you ask me. I just came up with that. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.